English. Task 1. Set. Sa, fit, pop, hug, met, pan, tin, non, fox. Words. Slap, dump, feet, stink, sun, trash, my, bicycle, market, marble. A day in the fields. Dulnowan is a farmer. He works in the fields. Every day he wipes. Bugan helps him. Ali and Dina helps too when they are not in school. Today, Dulwana drains the water from the field and prepares the seedbed. Bugan, Ali, and Dina pulls the weeds. They work all morning. They rest under the shade of a tree and eat lunch. They eat boiled rice and beans. They are proud of their work. Dulnowan. Story 2. A day in the fields. Questions. What is the job of Dulnowan? A farmer. When do Ali and Dina help Dulnowan and Bugan? When they are not in school. Where do they rest? Under a shade of a tree. Why do they rest? Because they work all morning. What kind of weather or day is it? It's sunny day. What does Dulnowan pick up? He drains the water and prepares the seedbed.